BlackRock is already selling their Bitcoin ETF. That's how confident they are that it's going to get approved. We are seeing some absolutely monumental moves. Congratulations to everyone. The early mornings are back. The bull run, I can't argue with it, seems to be here for now. And we are going to be going through exactly what is going on today because things are crazy. And guys, if you can do me a quick favor, all I ask in return for this video is that you absolutely smash that like button to show how excited you are about this crypto market. And let's jump into it. Now, hopefully you watched my videos yesterday, right? And you saw the fact that I was opening a Solana long down here in the pits of around 59 to 60K. This is exactly what I told you guys on the channel yesterday. And look at the moves we had. Perfect move all the way up to our resistance, 7.35%. If I open this up, where is it? Here we go, 101% because I had a 20x long. This is from $60 to when I woke up at $63.4. So actually a massive profit here. And I'm very happy for that. And I really hope that some of you guys managed to take that. Now, if you do want to trade, you can do so over on Margex. I am newly affiliated with them. There is no KYC and you don't need a VPN to access this exchange from anywhere in the world. So if you want to trade, you can do it here. Of course, you have to abide by the laws of wherever you are, but you don't need a VPN and you don't need to KYC. There are no personal details required here, and you can trade up to 100x leverage. So be safe out there. Of course, leverage trading is for your experienced traders, but while the market is this volatile, we're making some serious gains. Not only Solana, but AVAX, which is a position that I told you I opened up about a week ago. We are up 1,500%. Now, I did go a little bit more crazy with this, but I had very tight stop losses to make sure I didn't lose too much money. 1,500%. And lastly, Bitcoin, 1,300% this morning. I still have these positions open, Bitcoin and AVAX, and they are literally printing money. And again, guys, if you watched yesterday's video, you would have seen me talking about QuantX, up 40% today. It's happening. We're printing money. But a word of caution, right? Take some goddamn profits when you see them. Yesterday, I did in fact take some profits from my positions. I closed out 50% of one of my positions because that gives me a whole chunk of cash now. One, if the market drops from where we are now, I'll reinvest it into probably the same assets. And two, if the market keeps running from where we are, I have dry powder to buy other assets. That is the key. This is what I've learned. And on top of that, I will buy some real world assets with this cash. Even though the bull run is just starting, I know that. I don't care. I need to continually be adding to my real world asset stash that generates me passive income that pays for my lifestyle. I'm going to continually grow that as much as I can. In the bull run, probably once a month, I'll be growing that. We're talking property, buying businesses. I'm going to continually do that. I'm going to continually be siphoning money out of the crypto space, even though we can go still parabolic and go higher. If you want to stay up to date with someone who believes that we're here to make money, then this is the channel for you because I will tell you when I am taking profits, what I'm buying, all of that sort of good stuff. And guys, if you do want to come over and join the Patreon, we are absolutely printing together over here. Like I've told you recently, I asked the guys to see how they've been doing over this bear market, and there's people in here who have made 30 to 40x just from being in the group. You can see here another one with 220%. Guys have been following me for years, and it's been awesome. We have an amazing crew over there. We are building this space now, and it would be awesome if you guys want to come and join. If you do come over and join and you don't like it within the first 3 days, you drop me a message and I'll give you a full refund. No questions asked. Perfectly fine. That's how confident I am. With that said, let's talk about the news today because things are getting saucy. First of all, I want to tell you guys that retail who isn't us, like we're the cool retail, we're the guys who've been around. Retail that's not us, right? Those guys out there, outside of your crypto layers, they're still not here. They're still not here. Look, search term, best place to buy crypto. You can see 2021, end of 2021, and 2022. Now, nothing. No one cares. No one's looking how to buy Bitcoin right now. No one's looking how to buy crypto right now because this run is being spurred on by us and institutions. Talking about institutions, Blackrock has been buying Bitcoin throughout the whole bear market using their private trust. The private trust was launched in 2022. So they have been buying panicked Bitcoin over the whole bear market. They knew what was coming, just like we did here on this channel. We got exchanges keep bleeding Bitcoin. Right? People are not selling their Bitcoin. They are buying it on exchanges. They are moving it to cold storage wallets, and they are absolutely printing money right now. And finally, on the institutions, we have BlackRock says seed investor bought $100,000 worth of its Bitcoin ETF shares this October. So BlackRock are literally already selling their ETF shares. They're already selling it to people. That's how confident they are that the ETF will be approved. If this ETF approves, I think it's going to be absolutely monumental. I do, however, think that it will be announced that it's approved. The market will go absolutely violently up, and then there'll be a lot of profit taking. I, for one, will be someone who takes profits, ready for what will probably be some sort of event to get in again. That's what I expect to happen, but I don't know how high it could go. So be prepared for this. I think it's going to be big. With that said, we got IBM introducing new cold storage tech for crypto assets. IBM is a behemoth in the technology space coming in here to crypto. We got an interesting thing coming out for Coinbase here. The wallet now lets users send stablecoins for free on messaging apps like WhatsApp and iMessage. This is going to be a game changer for the bull run, right? If you can just quickly send money without them having to have an intermediary, that would be incredible. I'm not sure exactly what this is, but I've wanted something like this. If I can just send a mate, we've gone out for dinner, I can send them some stable coins on WhatsApp. That is a game changer, right? People are going to absolutely lap that up. With that said, like I told you yesterday, there are still opportunities in this market. Bitcoin right now is now playing with our upper resistance that we put in just a couple of days ago. We were down here, then I put in the resistance up here, and that is exactly what we're playing with. If we can break through this as well, things are going to get frothy, right? Of course, the next resistance I would then put in would be around 47 to 48,000. Now, in the regions that we're in right now, I do believe that the outside retail is going to start flooding back in. I am already getting messages from my normal friends who don't partake in our degen space, messaging me, where do I buy crypto? What's the best place to buy it? Is now a good time to buy it? And this is happening a lot. This is telling me that people in the mainstream are catching on, right? Very, very interesting and very important to pay attention to that. Now, we need to find opportunities in the space. Yesterday, I did tell you about a project launching today. I'm pretty bullish on this project. Inspect, they are launching on KuCoin, Bybit, MEXC, BitGet, and Gate.io, and PancakeSwap, and Uniswap. All right, so they're launching today. I would pay attention to this, right? Of course, I'm an investor into this. I'm going to be paying attention to it. I think it's going to do very well. And of course, we need to be watching our altcoins that we have been getting into slowly over time in this bear market. Quanx being one of them. The position that I hold since I told you guys I bought it is up over 100%. It's a great stuff here. If you do want to stay up to date, like I said, with any trade that I make, of course, I can't instantly make a video. Come over and join the private Discord. You get my trade ideas that I'm doing. You get my portfolios. You get direct access to me. And you get access, most importantly, to a crew of people who are out here trying to find the best possible opportunities. So if you do want that, the link to my Patreon is down there in the description. Sign up there. Hopefully I've provided some value. Hopefully you're absolutely destroying this market. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.